Starting an online business in 2026 shouldn't feel like you're trying to decode the matrix. If you've spent the last week staring at 20 open tabs filled with dropshipping, affiliate marketing, AI tools, and you're actually more confused than when you started, stop. You aren't behind. You're just overloaded. Most beginners fail because they try to build the whole skyscraper before they've poured the concrete. You're told you need a niche, a funnel, and a content strategy all by Tuesday. That's not a business plan. It's a recipe for decision fatigue. Overwhelm doesn't come from hard work. It comes from having too many choices and no clear sequence. Here's the truth. Clarity doesn't come from more information. It comes from less. You don't need another 10-hour course. You need a noise-canceling roadmap. A map that tells you exactly what to focus on today, and more importantly, what to ignore. Now, we recommend a simple 3-step reset. Step 1, simplify. Pick one proven system and close the other tabs. Step 2, sequence. Follow the steps in order. Don't worry about scaling before you've even launched. Step 3, support. Stop building in a vacuum. A community of people following the same map is the fastest way to kill confusion. Imagine waking up and knowing exactly what your one thing is for the day. No second guessing, just progress. If you're ready to trade the confusion for a clear starting point, I've put a free breakdown of the roadmap we recommend at the link below. No hype, no noise, just the path. Let's get you moving forward at dailyprofitsnow.com.